Hi everyone, it's Chandra, aka Teacher Gameroom, here with another video to show you some basic PowerPoint tips. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips. Today I'm going to show you how to change the size of your slide. To do so, first go to the Design tab at the top and then go to Slide Size. You'll have three options: Standard Size, Widescreen Size, and Custom Slide Size. Right now, my slide is in widescreen size. You can click on Standard Size. When you do so, this menu is going to pop up. If you don't have anything on your slide, then you don't have to worry about which one to choose. If you do, however, have something like a text box, a shape, or a picture on your slide, you'll want to choose one of the following. Maximize Size, which means it'll keep its size, but if it might end up on the outside of your original slide. And if you choose Ensure Fit, this will shrink it down so that everything stays on the slide and then there's nothing on the outside. So I'm going to just click Maximize Size. Now this is the size of a standard sheet. Now if you go to widescreen, again, it's going to change it to a widescreen. The same menu will pop up. This time I'm just going to click Ensure Fit. And here is the widescreen size. Now let's click on Custom Slide Size. Here a menu is going to pop up and you'll have many different options for changing the size. If you click on this drop down bar, you'll get many different options for changing the size of your slide. I'm just going to click on Custom right now. Here you can choose the exact measurements of your slide. So right now it's a 14 by 8, and I'll just leave it like that. You could choose the number slides from here, and you can just make it bigger or smaller. You can also change the orientation of your slide. So as it is like a slide like this, you can change it to a landscape or a portrait. And when you do so, it will automatically change your width and your height. When you change it to notes, handouts, or an outline, you can have it where it's in a portrait or a landscape. I'm going to change it to the standard size of a sheet. In this case, usually a sheet of paper is a portrait, and it usually is 8.5 by 11. So when this is done, it'll look like the standard size of a sheet of paper. Once you have your measurements, then you click OK. Again, here's that menu asking you whether you want to maximize or Ensure Fit. Again, I don't have anything, so it doesn't matter which one I choose, just as long as I don't click on Cancel. And now this is like your standard size sheet of paper. And that's how you change the size of your slide. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like for more videos.